Welcome everyone to the free English for Khmer students. Practice speaking. Hi everyone, nice to meet you again. How are you? In the previous lesson, we have learned about the sound ing or ing, the sound ing already. And today we're gonna learn the sound id, or the sound d or t. But most of all, or the important sound is id. So we're gonna learn some id today, okay? Why do I think that id sound is important? Because it is the main sound to know about the past tense. When we hear the sound id, we notice ពេលដែលយើងស្ដាប់សំឡេង id យើងស្គាល់យើងចំណាំថាវាជាសំឡេងនៅក្នុងអតីតកាលវាជាពាក្យដែលគេប្រើក្នុងអតីតកាល It is the sound that show about past tense. Understand? You know what I mean? Now I will read for you some sentences and you will write down the id sound on your paper. I wanted to raise the chicken at my farm. The call was disconnected when there was another call and I tried to connect again. She was very excited to hear that she passed an exam. He is interested in doing online business. Last week, I rested from work for 2 days. We rented the house for our children to continue studying at the college. When I was young, I wasted my time very much in playing game. Okay, what words that you write down? តើនេះមិញ Okay, មិនតន់ម្ដងទៀតណា If you cannot catch up, please try again. Fast. I wanted to raise chicken at my farm. The call was disconnected when there was another call and I tried to connect again. She was very excited to hear that she passed an exam. He is interested in doing online business. Last weekend, I rested from work for 2 days. We rented the house for our children to stay and continue studying at the college. When I was young, I wasted my time very much in playing games. Okay, what words? តើមានពាក្យអីខ្លះ Wanted, disconnected, tried. This is not sound it but d. Tried. Excited, past. This is not sound it but t, past. Interested, rested, rented, wasted. Okay, translation. Wanted. I told you already, when you hear the sound it means they use in past tense មានន័យថាគេប្រើនៅក្នុង past tense អញ្ចឹងសុទ្ធតែទម្រង់បានទាំងអស់ wanted បានចង់បាន disconnected បានកាត់ផ្ដាច់ tried បានព្យាយាម excited រីករាយ past បានជាប់ interested មានចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍ rested បានសម្រាក rented បានជួល wasted បានខ្ជះខ្ជាយ Okay, while ago I said when you hear the sound id, what does it mean? it means the using of verbs in past tense among those words នៅក្នុងចំណោមពាក្យទាំងនេះមិនមែនមាន past tense ទាំងអស់នោះទេ not all of these words are using in past tense adjectives also ប៉ុន្តែវាជាគុណនាមខ្លះដែរដូចជាពាក្យអី excited interested អូខេអញ្ចឹងពាក្យហ្នឹងវាជាគុណនាមអញ្ចឹងសូមកត់ទុក please write down នៅពេលដែលយើង hear sound id ទី1វាប្រើក្នុង past tense ទី2វាជាគុណនាមអញ្ចឹងយើងកត់តែពីរមុខហ្នឹងសំខាន់ the importance of the sound id number 1 they use in past tense number 2 it is an adjective okay I will raise a formula for you ខ្ញុំនឹងលើកជារូបមន្តសម្រាប់ទាំងអស់គ្នានៅពេលដែលយើងឮ sound id when you hear the sound id it means they use in past tense second column verb 2 it means verb in the second column នៅក្នុងជួរទី2 past tense កាលណាយើងនិយាយ past tense វាមានប្រធាននិងកិរិយាសព្ទទី2វាមាន subject pronoun I will you the he she it បូកនឹងកិរិយាសព្ទខ្ទង់ទី2អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលយើង hear sound it យើងចាប់អារម្មណ៍ភ្លាមថាវាប្រើក្នុង past tense you notice please notice that they use in the past tense ឧទាហរណ៍ for example I wanted to I ជាប្រធាន wanted មកពីកិរិយាសព្ទ want ទៅជាអតីតកាល wanted អញ្ចឹង I wanted to អីអញ្ចឹងទៅឃើញទេអញ្ចឹងស្រួលណាស់គ្រាន់តែឮ it sound ទៅចាប់អារម្មណ៍ថាវាប្រើក្នុង past tense ហើយទី1ទៅចាប់អារម្មណ៍ណា when you hear the sound it number 1 please notice សូមចាប់អារម្មណ៍ please notice that this sound is the verb that using in past tense okay please listen again listen what is the subject តើគេប្រើប្រធានអ្វីដែលបូកជាមួយនឹងកិរិយាសព្ទខ្ទង់ទី2ហៅថា past tense ហ្នឹងប្រធានអ្វី what subject and what verb so please listen again I wanted to raise the chicken at my farm អីគេមិញ I wanted to raise the chicken at my farm ខ្ញុំចង់នឹងមានន័យថាបានចង់ណា so you can ask me teacher I want to see the phrase the written phrase how can we have the phrase in writing when I'm translating the foreigner don't have their writing I just listen to them and translate okay so please try this ability of listening just listen and translate okay I wanted to raise the chicken at my farm ខ្ញុំបានចង់មិនចង់ឥឡូវខ្ញុំបានចង់ raise chicken raise គឺចិញ្ចឹមសត្វមាន់ at my farm នៅកសិដ្ឋានរបស់ខ្ញុំអូខេយល់ទេចឹងឥឡូវស្ដាប់មួយទៀត The call was disconnected when there was another call and I tried to connect again សូមគិតមើល the call was disconnected ប្រធានគឺ the call ការហៅទូរស័ព្ទការហៅ was disconnected ត្រូវបានកាត់ផ្ដាច់ when there was another call ពេលដែលមានការហៅនោះមួយផ្សេងទៀតមក and ហើយ I tried ខ្ញុំបាន tried ឲ្យលឺដទៀតអូខេអតីតកាលទៀតណា I tried to connect again ភ្ជាប់ម្ដងទៀត so it is easy right last week I rested from work for 2 days ប្រធានអីគេ I កិរិយាសព្ទ rested ឃើញទេលឺ rested last week សប្តាហ៍មុនខ្ញុំបានសម្រាក rest ទៅជា rested from work ពីការងារ for 2 days 2ថ្ងៃរយៈពេល2ថ្ងៃបន្តទៀត we rented the house for our children ប្រធាន we កិច្ចសព្ទ verb អី rented បានជួល okay notice that when you hear the sound it means they use the verbs in past tense understand okay we rented the house for our children យើងជួលបានជួលផ្ទះសម្រាប់កូនៗរបស់យើង to stay and continue studying at the college ឲ្យស្នាក់នៅនិងបន្តសិក្សានៅ okay clear ចុងក្រោយ the last phrase when I was young I wasted my time very much in playing games ពេលដែលខ្ញុំនៅក្មេងប្រធានអីទៀត I wasted ពាក្យ waste មានន័យថាខ្ជះខ្ជាយ I wasted បានខ្ជះខ្ជាយបានខ្ជះខ្ជាយ my time ពេលវេលាខ្ញុំច្រើនណាស់ very much in playing games ក្នុងការលេងល្បែងប៉ុន្តែបើលេងល្បែងកម្សាន្តមកអីអារឿងល្បែង computer ល្បែងអីដែលអត់ប្រយោជន៍អាហ្នឹងខ្ញុំចង់និយាយអញ្ចឹង okay understand about this when you hear the sound it what does it mean it means they use the verb in the past tense okay please write down okay the second point the second meaning of the sound it សំឡេងអត្ថន័យសំខាន់នៃ sound it ចំណុចទី2អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំលើកតែ2ចំណុច I raised only 2 points today it that use the verb in the past tense and it is an adjective ជាគុណនាម it ដែលជាសំឡេងគុណនាមcòn là it ហើយវាប្រកាសជាមានជាសំឡេងគុណនាមទេយើងយល់ថាវាជា adjective បានត្រូវតែមាន to be ពីមុខវាហើយមិនអាចអត់ to be បានទេវាជារូបមន្តវាជាខោអាវរបស់គេបំពាក់ទៅឲ្យ adjective អញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍គេនិយាយថា he was very excited នៅពេលយើងឮ excited វាមាន was ពីមុខបាត់ហើយ very គ្រាន់តែញែកមក when we hear about the word excited we know that there is to be at the front okay or before the word excited so he is the subject and to be become was in the past or if you use present he is បើសិនយើងប្រើ present គឺ he is តែបើយើងប្រើ past tense គឺ was ហើយ excited ជា adjective អញ្ចឹង he was very excited គាត់មានការរីករាយឬគាត់បានរីករាយយើងបកប្រែតែកន្លែង excited ទៅ to be មិនបាច់បកប្រែបានទេតែដឹងថាគាត់រីករាយណាស់ very តែគាត់ក្នុងអតីតកាល to hear the sound it the second point is adjective okay it's time to listen again about the second point it is the sound it it's not a verb but it is an adjective so please listen again the adjective phrase and notice what is the subject and what form that it used to be and what adjective okay ready she was very excited to hear that she passed an exam she was very excited do you hear the sound it excited tid okay យើងឮ sound it ហ្នឹងឯងនាងបានរីករាយណាស់ she was very excited to hear that ដែលបានឮថាណា she passed an exam នាងបានប្រឡងជាប់ okay next phrase he is interested in doing online business គាត់ចាប់អារម្មណ៍ interested he is interested ឃើញមាន is okay you hear is he is interested នឹងជាគុណនាមឯងគាត់ចាប់អារម្មណ៍ in doing online business នៅក្នុងការធ្វើជំនួញ online only two adjective phrases that I raised today okay here are the writing phrases that I mentioned a while ago នេះគឺជា clear ទាំងឡាយដែលខ្ញុំបានលើកអំបញ្ញមិញហ្នឹងណាអញ្ចឹងលោកអ្នកមាន clear ហ្នឹងដើម្បីទុកមើល for you. You can see later. Okay, I wanted to raise chicken at my farm. The call was disconnected when there was another call, and I tried to connect again. She was very excited to hear that she passed an exam. And next, he is interested in an online business. Last week I rested from work for 2 days. We rented our house for our children to stay and continue studying at college. When I was young, I wasted my time very much in playing games. Okay, thank you for today. Please notice the lesson today we have learned about the sound id. There are two meanings or two usage. First is the verbs that they use in the past tense. ទី1 sound id ដែលគេប្រើជា verb ក្នុងអក្ខរកាល and the second the sound id that are adjective ដែលជាគុណនាមអញ្ចឹងយើងកត់ចំណាំតែពីរនឹងធំៗជាការស្រេចនៅពេលយើងស្ដាប់គឺងាយស្រួល in time of listening or when you practice listening you can know you are familiar យើងស៊ាំទៅនឹងសំឡេងហ្នឹងយើងដឹង you know that oh this sound it means past tense verb or adjective. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Do you like my video? Please give thumbs up, or if you have any more questions, please write in the comment below or send to my email pichkim3@gmail.com or my Facebook Kim Peach. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to receive more videos.